This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be talking about loop device and device mapper, as well as Docker and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is which had reminded me of both functions. I would like to start this video by saying it is a beautiful, beautiful time to be alive and creative. This video is only the icing on the cake, if you will. And if you're an upcoming developer and thinking of creating OS functions, apps, extra memory, this could be a good video to get your feet wet. If you had been following along with my previous Bitcoin videos, you may or may not have noticed the installation of your Bitcoin wallet and Docker uses loop device functionality. I noticed this function as I used my video editing program called kdenlive by going to Add Clip. The search window for photos and or videos shows the loop device. So what is loop device? Well, as you can see from this Wikipedia page, it is a function that allows you to make a file into a block device. The block device can now be construed as a piece of hardware, thus creating many functions, expanding many capabilities such as creating memory blocks or apps to an all-out OS. But be forewarned, you should do further studies first. As it has been stated in some documentation, loop device should be used on a standalone system for testing purposes only. Loop device also has the ability for a full API and the ability to create simulated USB drives and use disk image capabilities. But what about Docker? Does it utilize loop device? Well, yes and no. Docker uses device mapper with loop device functionality built right into the protocol. This next Wikipedia page explains device mapper and the functionality and capabilities, as well as security encryption and some of its capabilities. Notice in this next view in kdenlive, clicking Add Clip, showing the loop devices that were added. And just to let you know, I am using Boco Screen Zoom feature to show this. As you may notice, in this Docker documentation, you can do all the same things possible with loop device, with device mapper in Docker. But with much higher security and cross-platform capabilities. One of the things that makes all of this possible is Docker uses containers. And the containers carry the functionality drivers for each created item to go cross-platform, such as apps, or a newly developed OS, or a newly developed piece of software. If you are eager to jump right in and start utilizing this function in Docker, please do further research, as there are specific warnings within Docker documentation you must know. There are a lot of companies out there still doing this the old school way, and containers are basically new, but those companies are struggling with two factors. One being security, and two being cross-platform, or not cross-platform. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some way. And if so, why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? We love our subscribers. And if you would like to read some interesting articles, then come on by our website and see us at http://grephaxs.com. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.